Hello, this is Andres, and he's my guitarist for my live performance. And we're just rehearsing and composing at the same time. This is gonna be the first.
Alright.
So, did you use just overdrive and distortion yet?
I'm using maybe
Like that sound that you done, so you can make the harmonics,
yeah,
but
this,
with the distortion.
with the two of them.
Yes. So I have an idea for.
You know this one?
Yeah.
I was
I like that sound that you just done with the feedback. I like how it sounds with the feedback.
alright.
So okay.
So the feedback is amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically for the verse, you know when you start at the beginning.
Yeah.
When you start with the lower, with the lower notes, I think you should start with the lower notes.
So
Slowly, yeah. But you see, like you had like little gaps in between.
yeah.
Can you make it like just like a long melody,
So
starting with the lows and going like gradually going into
faster.
not faster, but just
Higher.
higher.
So it should be nice that way.
Sounds. And then just gradually going. And you see with the feedback, you know when you have that, you have the feedback.
When the long notes, with the long notes to have the feedback.
Yes, when you started with the long notes, I like that sound, and I think it would fit the verse when you start with a low note and it gradually
To the feedback.
goes to the feedback.
Yeah, all right.
But at the same time, you should have like a very emotional melody. You know,
To create a melody,
Yeah.
That's the difficult thing because let's try to create a melody. I guess
so you need to sit it, like that. Like that. So there's vibrato. Maybe let me try and come up. Maybe I have this idea in my head. Let me try and come up with a melody for the verse in the.
You will do it like that. You have to do this another shape. That shape of the pentatonic. And the vibrato.
Yeah, but it's got distortion.
More distortion.
Yeah.
Too much. But I can.
No, I don't like the noise. It's too much noise. That's not enough.
You want more body, yes? Even more distortion.
Yes.
Okay.
Because you see when there's long notes, I want them to sound long, so it doesn't disappear. Yeah, like that. More Jimi Hendrix kind of stuff.
Play again the bass.
I don't like that sound.
You don't like the sound? What happened with the sound?
You know when I play a note?
You want to have it like a lot of,
Yeah.
like a really.
Yeah.
Alright, so play, continue play. I'm gonna get this distortion from. So this should be a very. I'll play again. That sounds too distorted. That one, yeah?
Yeah.
This should be just for the slow notes. And later I have to
Yeah.
change it because later it's too many notes, it start to get.
But you see, for that, it's got a lot of noise.
Yeah, this
It's
is.
not possible to take it off, no?
You can take it if it's connected to that
Um,
one, you have the noise reduction, but not from that one. Because that is the problem, look, this distortion is gonna. It's a lot. And now when I mix these two,
that mean it wouldn't work in that case. I don't think.
no, yeah. The thing is that I mean, I just use it. I can reduce the sound like this.
Yeah.
That is good. But because you want a lot of body for the intro,
Yeah.
so play the intro. So this is now.
Basically, the only thing I want to do is I want to be able to hear the long notes and at the same time to be able to hear the harmonics. Maybe I can't play. You try. Maybe I can't.
Yes, now it's not giving feedback.
But make it like longer. So you can hear it well. You can wait long enough.
Alright.
Yes.
And later?
Yes. And then if you have a tremolo, then the tremolo make a vibrato.
Vibrato de. It's
Yes. What is that?
That is the arpeggio of 8 minor. It's called arpeggio. But later I finish in eighth to make the change.
In A.
In
In
F,
A.
F,
F.
because you change to D minor.
Yeah.
So it's the third of the. You know that when you play the D minor,
Yeah.
it's with F.
Yeah.
So that I go to the third. Yeah, the melody is in F.
Yeah.
But it's part of D minor because
Okay.
D minor has a F.
But I have D minor in my song as well.
Yeah.
So it would fit, right?
Yeah, because
I
basically
have that chord.
you have this chord, no, D
Yeah,
minor,
yeah.
and I play F. So if F is part of the chord.
Yeah.
The first part that I do is da 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 da. That is what I
That's
make.
in A, yeah.
Da 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 da.
And then with F.
And later I put the
Only-
intro. Yeah,
yeah.
it's just the intro.
So let me see. Let me listen to intro. I forgot because I had my guitar recorded as well.
All right.
I need to hear. This is your guitar. Sorry. Need to mute. I had my guitar recorded and I don't know where to put it because it was part of the intro as well.
Yeah, I remember that. You can leave it. And I go with the low. At the same time.
You know what? I think I could have that at the beginning. Maybe I could even learn it myself and play it. But I don't know if I never. Solo is very hard to play that stuff.
Well, but you have time to learn it.
Yeah, it's not very complicated, but if one sound goes wrong, that's it.
That's it. No, but I can help you with the bass, just to
Yeah.
play to have the feedback,
Yeah.
so you can play the other melody and it sounds. Well, let's try
Okay.
again. Let's try again. I played the two.
But okay, you know what though? At the beginning,
Uh,
it should be just no guitar. At the beginning, it should start with this, just that, and then you do your part thing with the feedback.
all right. You tell me when should I start?
Yeah.
Now.
Yeah.
Should I finish that because with a lot of noise.
Yeah, I think it should start like this. Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah. But the distortion is like
Everything is.
no distortion, like you done it before. Remember how you done it?
Two notes.
Yeah, that. It's okay if it does that. It sounds very good. Yeah.
And I should start now the drums, right?
No, and this would be my solo.
Uh-huh.
After this,
Okay.
after this,
Right? I just like to play just with this.
I think that sounds very good. But for the verse now,
You want me to create something with the verse?
but for the verse now, we need to come up with like a melody. Yeah. I could try to play it myself for now, and then maybe so you can get the idea. But you see, for the guitar, that I want to play that part. If I want to play that guitar, I think it will be more impressive if I do it at the end, maybe. Or how? What do you think? Or maybe at the beginning.
At the beginning is nice.
And maybe at the end, then like in when there would be like a long end, and maybe we could create some weird sounds like noise or something.
And you can pre-record it as well.
I need to try and see if depends how my because I'm gonna be using probably this.
Alright. So
or maybe because they have a Mac. I need to find out if I'll be able to re-record. Basically, as long as this doesn't slow down.
Because if it's off, that's it.
Otherwise, then we're just gonna have to play with guitars, just improvise.
I think that two guitars, for example, for the first part, for example, for the verse, there should be another guitar.
You mean just for the verse?
I mean, look,
maybe
put the verse.
Yeah.
I mean, for example, we can try to get the melody, as you said. We need a melody.
Yes, with the melody. Let me come up with the melody.
But anyway, just to show you.
Okay.
Maybe we can try to make some guitar like as well, like
there's gonna be too much noise because even I have a bit of distortion on those instruments.
That one should be recorded with in the.
In there.
Well,
but it's not gonna be the right sound.
If it's gonna be two guitars,
yeah,
I can lend you the line 6, the other that I have.
Yeah.
And the distorters are digital, so it's not gonna have this problem.
Mm-hmm.
But it basically, yeah, I don't know. Could be nice to have another guitar.
Because I have my guitar. I have a Fender guitar that I bought.
All right. So you should.
I maybe I should bring it next time. Maybe we can try something out with both guitars. I'm gonna try to learn that solo then.
Yeah, it's nice.
Let me just come up with a melody for the verse. but so it's very low. And you go slowly down first. Yeah, it'll be that.
Settle it.
I'm gonna break the guitar.
Alright, but this. I like the way that you go.
I really like that sound. I really want it. This is exactly the sound that I wanted for
Okay.
the with that distortion with that feedback. Exactly
Okay.
that sound, like a kind of metal kind of guitar.
Alright.
So I'm gonna stop this.